So we are starting to feel comfortable with our eyes closed, connected to our body. Let's feel the music of the breath, the inhale and the exhale. Let's just feel that rhythmus, inhaling and exhaling, without any effort to make it deeper, but just paying more attention to that circle of inhale into the body and exhaling. I invite us to become aware that while I'm breathing, there is a lot of sensations going on in my body. And I'm just noticing that, noticing my sensations. Whether they are pleasant or unpleasant, they are mine. And I'm conscious of it. I'm inviting us to add to our consciousness, being aware to the ground that is just below my body and to the power of gravity that is allowing me to lie down or sit without flying in the air. The ground is my home. I am connected to her. So I'm having at least 3 anchors in this meditation, from expectation to sovereignty in intimate relationship. One anchor is the rhythmus of my breathing. The second anchor is the sensations in my body, noticing it. And the third one is noticing the connection between my body and the ground. Those anchors will help us when we feel strong emotions in the meditation and in life. So we are taking a deep breath and we are listening inside. We are inviting our subconscious to open. We are doing that by focusing on the physical body and just putting an intention in the body, asking the subconscious, please open and show me a situation, an intimate situation, maybe even a sexual situation, when someone had an expectation from me that created resistance in me. It can be something from this week, it can be something from many years ago. We are asking the subconscious to show us an event, an experience, intimate, sexual, when someone had an expectation from me that created resistance in me. And after I'm putting the intention, I'm letting go, noticing what is happening in my body, allowing the subconscious to open in its space. No pressure. It will open. Maybe you see many pictures. Choose one. Let the choice be intuitive and simple. Please notice where in your body now do you feel more energy? Which part of the body do you feel more? I'm inviting you to put your attention in that area in the body. Maybe the belly, maybe the chest, just breathing into it while your subconscious is opening to that feeling of resistance. Someone was expecting something of you and you felt, I don't want to do it. I don't want to be that. You felt a boundary. And maybe you said something and maybe you didn't. What we are interested in is not what you did, but just what you felt. So let's zoom in together into that small space between him or her expecting something of us and that moment of inner reaction to that expectation. What exactly did I feel emotionally and physically? Was it fear, anger, helplessness? Whatever it is, allow it. Allow it to be and be with it. And breathe into it. How did you feel in that moment, in those moments? What happened to your heart, to your belly, to your vagina? What is happening to me when someone is expecting something of me that doesn't meet my needs? And just allow the emotions to be, continuing to focus on the physical body and the dominant part that are working now in the body. It's okay to say no. And check out, did I allow myself to say no in that situation? Did I allow myself to be loyal to myself? Don't judge yourself, please. Just watch. Watch, look, contemplate, and stay there. Even if you couldn't say no, that's okay. Now you are learning better. Next time, it will be different. Let's be soft with what we see as much as we can, accept where we are now. Whether I did say no or I didn't, please check how does it feel in my body. When I'm going back to that situation, not only looking at it as a scene from a movie, but really feeling myself in it. How did it feel in my body when I said no or when I didn't and I wanted to? And just check what is happening in the level of the physical body and in the level of the emotion. Continue to breathe. The ground is with you. All the universe is with you. You have now a second opportunity to change something in the way you handled that situation. So if you want to say something out loud or in your heart that you didn't say the first time, now it's a good time. Or if you want to do something that you didn't do, now you can allow your body to finish something that wasn't finished. Allow yourself that second chance. We continue to breathe, to feel the body after giving ourselves a second chance if it was needed. Knowing that we always learn from everything. And just for the last part of this healing meditation, let's go back to ourselves in that situation and check intuitively if that expectation of him or her from me, does it remind us, again, intuitively, in an associative way, does it remind us an intimate relationship from my childhood? Maybe a mother, a father, grandmother, brother, someone that was expecting me to something or to be someone, and it created resistance in me. Allow it to come to you. No effort is needed. Just listen. Deep breath. Maybe a picture will come to you and maybe not. It's okay anyway. Don't push yourself. If you do see yourself as a child, connect with that part of you. and allow yourself, just like we did before, to react differently than it was in the original time. Maybe you wanted to say no and you didn't. Maybe you wanted to resist actively and you didn't. Anything that you want to change, maybe a physical gesture with your hand, with your legs. Allow yourself to work with that picture in a creative way. That serves your healing. We cannot change the past, but we can learn from the past new things. So let's learn something. Try to see where is the energy now in the body. Where is the dominant part in the body that is working now? Breathe into that part. And see if just before we are coming to the end of that meditation, if you can go closer to the inner child as the adult you are, and just give her love of any kind, whether it's good word, hug, or anything soft that comes from your heart. And after that, you can just allow all the pictures to close. Allow yourself to rest. Allowing the integration to happen by itself when you rest for a few more seconds. Breathing, relaxing, checking in the body, where do I feel relaxation or pleasant feelings in my body, and putting my energy there, even if it is a small area in the body that feels calm. I will go there and focus on that part. So slowly we are coming out of the meditation, slowly starting to move the body and wake up. And meeting in our circle again. Thank you.